Section 7. In this section, you will learn how to write buffer overflow exploits and port it into Metasploit framework. Fuzzing and EIP Control. Fuzzing is a technique for providing invalid unexpected random data as input. A successful fuzzing results happen when a tested program is crashed. Through debugging, controlling EIP register controls the execution flow of application. The ESP, extended stack pointer, is an indirect memory operand pointing to the top of the stack. You can use Metasploit tools, pattern create, to generate a random pattern, or you can determine the location using create offset. In this video, we are going to debug FTP shell client application. So after running the application, we open Immunity Debugger. Attach the specific application called FTP shell. Then you can click on Play button. Make sure to customize the layout as you prefer. From attacker side, we are going to use a simple Python script as a fuzzer. We have to find a vulnerable input that we would like to fuzz. Let's first try to send 1000 characters of A. Then we execute our script. From debugger machine, we connect back to attacker machine. Excellent. We are able to write 41414141 to a IP address. And application crashed with access violation exception interrupted. To generate random characters, you can use Metasploit exploit tool called pattern create. We type pattern create -l, then the number of characters we would like to use. Copy the output and add it into junk variables value. Let's try again to see if we are able to hit offset address. Let's try again to see if we are able to hit offset address. Excellent. Copy the selection address value. To get exact offset match, we have to use pattern offset, followed by address we copied previously. So, in fuzzer script, we then have to send 400 A characters with 4 characters of B to see if we are able to control EIP. Please also make sure to calculate carefully the number of C characters as a result of 1000, which is 596. Let's then try again. From debugger machine, let's connect back to reproduce the attack. As you can see, the IP address is written with 42424242, which means B characters.